Hello everybody. Now we're going to create our own logo, that is pixel magic logo, and I'll try to recreate it. So first of all, first we have to put the place the sketch what I have already did, and that is not a refinement sketch. That's just a rough sketch. So let's start, and from that sketch we will try to draw the whole logo as it is basically rectangle, and pen tool is used to create the logo. uh, so we will now focus on those two things, that is rectangle and the pen tool. So let's start. So first go to file. I have just scanned that sketch, so place it, click, and just resize it to a proper size so that we can replicate. And it's a A4 size paper I have selected. Now it's properly placed, and as per the sketch we are now drawing a rectangle by clicking rectangle tool on the shape, replicating that one by holding alt and dragging the mouse. Now reflect and rotate by 90 degree for P part, the upper part of the P, and making some adjustment by direct selection tool. And now just trying to make some alignment to the top, and I just reduce the opacity to cut it out as per the sketch, the cut portion of the P. Now selecting both the shape. Now using pathfinder tool we will do minus front. Now the opacity we can change to 100%. Now next part is for bottom part of the P. We now just replicate it and copy it out by holding alt, making some alignment. Now again I have to copy it out for this part of the M, making some adjustment through selection tool. These are the minor adjustment what I am doing. Rest at the final stage we will do some refinement adjustment. Now M part is okay, but still it needs to have some refinement adjustment later on. Now the basic logo is ready, so I'm just dragging it down. We right now we are not require the sketch, so I'm just putting it aside. Now the basic part is over, and we need some correction to the existing rectangles. So clicking the tool over here, just making a copy it out to cut out, selecting both of them, minus back. Now this part is cut out, and making ungrouping that will put two different shape. Now the base part of the M, which is parallel as per the logo, I just reduced opacity to view it properly, selecting both minus front using pathfinder. Now I can place it aligning to the bottom part of the P, making some adjustment manually, and clicking both the points and dragging it down. It will drag it properly. Now the P part, again the same thing, select both the shape using pathfinder tool. We have to do minus front. We have now did minus back because the upper part of P is lying back to the P's left part. Now to have a similar gap between all those stems, so we just add a rectangle tool to cut it the portions, and it should be similar for all the cases. That's why I'm just replicating it. Now selecting both the shape using pathfinder tool, put minus front, P part is okay, then the bottom part, making some adjustment by dragging it down, holding both the shapes, and again minus front using pathfinder tool. Now ungrouping, and that part should be deleted. And now for this one, here it needs to be cut out. As I have shown, you have to select the shape, both the shape, minus front. Now we got the this part of the P. In the logo you can see that both the legs are cut out in a certain angle, so that we can do it. I am doing the same thing right now, selecting both the shapes using pen tool right now, selecting both the shapes, minus front. P part is almost over. Now just making copy it out because I don't want to repeat the step again. For M portion, transform, rotate, reflect, vertical. Now it's okay. Now the P's bottom part, the leg needs to be, so here it should be careful, just select the one point like this, only one point should be selected. Clicking by that point only, you have to drag it down so that it will just curve in that particular direction. If you select directly, all the borders will be selected and it will be cut out from both sides. I'm making some adjustment by cutting it out. The stem part, here M part needs some adjustment, the M portion needs some adjustment. Clicking the selection tool and I've just changed the color to find out proper shape, minus front. To get the clear view, I just change the color. That doesn't mean that you should also change the color. Without changing color, you can also do that. So just wrong happened, just select, again go that selection tool, then move using arrow key. Now almost it is ready, but still some adjustment is required. select the point as I've selected and drag it. It will be positioned properly. Now change the color to black. Right now the whole logo is ready and the background part is there, so we have to choose rectangle tool, make it unfill, bring to follow rectangle, make some stroke of around 4, fill equal to 0, and just trying to align it to the center. Now to and align it to the middle. Here's some problem, that's why I'm just trying to adjust it manually. Now the whole logo is ready. Thank you.